Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to show you how to file your TOT returns. TOT stands for turnover tax. So here, as you understand, if you have a business in Kenya and you have the TOT KRA obligation, you're supposed to submit the TOT returns, which is done for the complete previous month. So for example, if we are in November, we are supposed to be filing the complete month of October. Okay, so hand over to your web browser and type KRA iTax like that. Click enter, click the first link, and the page is going to direct you to to KRA iTax portal. Enter your PIN. Let me enter the PIN. To type in my PIN, I'm going to click continue. Then I'll enter the password. I'm going to click login, and as you can see, I am successfully logged in to my account. And so I'm going to continue and hand over to the menu here at returns, file returns. Then I'll click my tax obligation as TOT because we are filing TOT. I'll click income tax, turnover tax. Then I'll click next. Here I'm going to download the Excel tax form that I will be using to populate my information for the filing. Then I'll click it like that, and you can see the zipped file has been downloaded. So I'm going to click it, and I will have to unzip it so that I can use it to populate the information. So let me unzip the Excel zipped file. Okay, now I'll start by populating my personal identification number, that is the PIN. So I'm going to type in the PIN. Then I'm going to click the type of return. In this case, it is the original return. Then tax period from. Tax period from should be from should be start of the month. Tax period to should be at the end of the month. So in my case of the month of October, I'm going to type in from as 1st October 2025 to 31st October 2025. Then I'm going to, are you a partnership? No, I'm not a partnership, so I'll click no. Then I'll click next. Then I'll continue. Details for local purchases, I don't have those details, so I'll click next. Details of turnover tax paid, I don't have any, so I'll click next until here at section D to the calculation of tax due. So here I'm supposed to enter the amount, the total amount of my sales for that month of October. So here you're supposed to have done your bookkeeping, and you should be knowing that particular month these were my total sales. So I'm going to enter my total sales here like that, and as you can see, immediately you enter your turnover for the period, the system automatically calculates your net tax payable. Like here in this case, I'm supposed to pay this amount here, so click validate, and here there's a pop-up that asks me sheets are ready to be uploaded, do you want to generate and upload the file? I'll click yes, and then another pop-up comes up that shows me the file location where the file is going to be downloaded to, and usually it is always in the document folder. I'll click OK. Then I'm supposed to go back to my iTax account. I'm supposed to upload the form that has been generated and downloaded to the document folder. So I'll click choose file, then I'll hand over to document. As you can see, I'm in the document folder. Then I'm going to select the generated file, and this is the file. You can tell as per the date and time. Then I click open. I agree to the terms and conditions. Then I click submit. Then the pop-up says here, do you want to upload the form? I'll click. So as you can see, I have successfully filed the TOT returns, and here is the acknowledgement receipt that has been generated, and it says return submitted successfully with acknowledgement number, and this is the number. So here I can download the receipt. So you click here. Next thing, I'll show you how now to pay that. How do you pay? How do you submit that money to KRA? You come back to your iTax portal and click payments on the menu payment, then go to payment registration. As you can see, it shows me taxpayer PIN and the taxpayer name. I'll click next. Remember, we want to pay the amount that we have found. I'll click OK. Tax, and I'll click income tax, tax sub-end, income tax, turnover tax. Then payment type, I'll select self-assessment tax, and as you can see, by selecting that, automatically the system shows me the amount that I'm supposed to pay. So I'm supposed to check, and this is true, I'm supposed to pay this amount. I'll check it like that, and then I'll click and OK, and then the amount of payment that I'm supposed to pay will be earned, and this is the amount. Then I'll select the mode of payment, and here I'll select other payment modes. Then I'll click submit, and as you can see, the system has generated for me the payment slip to make the payment. So I can go ahead and pay now using the mobile money. I can click here and pay directly with my phone, or I can download the payment slip like this, and here's the payment slip. So the payment slip contains the details that you're supposed to use when you pay the amount. It's going to give you the Mpesa pay bill number to use, and the account number and the amount. And after you do that, you receive a successful message from your phone that says you have successfully paid the amount to the KRA. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more educational content like this. See you in the next video. Bye.